Welcome back to the New Student Advising online workshop. In this video, we'll be covering a few experiential campus resources. A full list of resources can be found on the New Student Advising website in the Digital Resource Library, so be sure to check it out. To kick off the Experiential series, we'll talk about Registered Independent Organizations, also known as RIOs. These are our version of on-campus clubs. Our RIO list is updated annually and can be found on the Student Life and Development website. We have hundreds of RIOs to choose from, ranging from interest clubs to honor societies and so much more. And if you can't find what you're looking for, you can always make your own RIO. Next, we'll cover the various types of study away experiences that we offer through our institution. The National Student Exchange, or NSE program, is an opportunity to study at any partner institution in the United States or Canada. If you're interested in this opportunity, email exchange@hawaii.edu to get connected with our campus NSE coordinator and learn about this wonderful opportunity. The Manoa International Exchange Program, also known as MIX, is an international exchange program that allows you to study in another country during fall, spring, or summer. A list of our partner institutions can be found on the MIX website. If you see one that you like and would like to learn more, get in touch with our MIX office at uhmix@hawaii.edu. The Study Abroad Center is our office that specializes in study abroad opportunities. Students can participate in pre-planned abroad experiences for a semester with an assigned Manoa faculty advisor. To learn more about our offerings, contact uhmsac@hawaii.edu. If you're thinking about getting a job or an internship, the Manoa Career Center is staffed with career counselors who can help you prepare. Visit their website to see the many services that they offer and to book an appointment. We also have a wonderful civic and community engagement office which runs our service learning program. To learn more about this program and so many others, check out our digital resource library on the New Student Advising website. All of these awesome resources are linked below in the online workshop platform as well as in the description box of this YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the rest of our modules and helpful content by clicking the link in the video description or by visiting our website at manoa.hawaii.edu/undergrad/newstudentadvising/online. If you have questions along the way, we're here for you. Contact new.advising@hawaii.edu.